I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be doing some cleaning and decorating for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited. I have a bunch of really fun ideas I can't wait to share with you guys. So let's just jump into it and get started decorating. I'm gonna start out by putting some fake flowers in this really cute little jar. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby. I love changing this out for the different holidays and seasons. Now I am going to do a floral arrangement with these faux flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. I really like Hobby Lobby's fake flowers. Some of them are so pretty and natural looking. I noticed that it was getting way too bulky, so I decided to remove the faux leaves so that it had a more clean and way more elegant. I put the biggest flower in the middle and I am just kind of playing around with it and working on the arrangement, see how I like it the best.
I wanna dance with you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel.
I found this heart vase at a garage sale. I believe it was last summer. I'm just taking a piece of sparkly scrapbook paper and lining the inside of my vase with it to hide the stems a little bit and just make it look really finished and beautiful.
Wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my call.
I'm just breaking up these heart floral picks and spreading them out throughout my arrangement so that they're evenly distributed.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
I'm so excited to try this out. I had this idea because sometimes I can't find garlands that I'm 100% in love with, or I just want to be a little creative and make something really cheap, easy, and fun. So I am taking scrapbook paper and using this punch that I got from Hobby Lobby. It is a 3-inch circle punch. I used my 40% off coupon on this, and I'm so glad I did. And I also picked up a bunch of different scrapbook papers, and I am going to be making my own custom garland. I am using a hole punch to punch a hole in each circle.
You feel misunderstood. Say what's the remedy? We'd be like-minded if we could, but that's not the case. Oh, the wind will turn. Don't be concerned. Oh, I can learn. When we end this hiding game.
Next, I just lined them up on the counter so that they were in the order that I liked and I could see how it looked. I did the first couple one by one, and then I decided, oh, this would be way easier if I just stacked them up and strung them all in at the same time.
And we don't pull them both ways. We can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do it.
I love how it turned out. It is so pretty, and it was really inexpensive as well.
Sweet rain and honest truth is what I get from you. No matter how hard I get the blues, you keep me steady, yet loose.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna make our own brownies, and we can actually do our frosting onto our special cupcakes. See that frosting and sprinkles on everything, but we got a problem. Our plastic got broken, but we're gonna actually just kind of put on.
Who wants to do muffin liners? What color is on? What color is on these muffin liners? Can you see what colors are on these?
Red and pink.
Ooh!
That's what it calls.
My two youngest kids love cupcakes. I really like encouraging them to be in the kitchen and helping me with some baking. So cupcakes are a really fun, easy thing to do with your kids. It's an activity, and you also get to enjoy something yummy.
We in this hiding games, and we don't pull them both ways. We can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do it. Don't leave already. Oh no, no, I'm not that steady. Don't go too far now. We can do it, we can do it.
I am using a cookie scoop to fill our cupcake liners up. those in the oven.
And we will do it. And we will do it.
Now, Miss Emily is awake, so we three are all going to take turns and mix up some Valentine's Day themed brownies. I really love that Walmart has been carrying different holiday themed cupcakes and goodies that are easy to make with the kids. It's just a really fun project for us to do together. I like having them be in the kitchen with me.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here
Dance break!
together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Ooh, the cupcakes are done. Time to frost.
Forever. Forever.
I have 3 of these different cupcake frosting tips. All you do is put it in the bag. You don't need the little ring that screws on for these ones since they're so big. Cut it near the very top and then put your frosting into the bag. Here is a tip. When you are filling your piping bag, fold the bag in half over your hand so that you can get it really down in there. Another tip for using a piping bag is twist the top so that you can use downward pressure and it does not come out the top. I noticed I was putting a little bit too much frosting on the cupcakes and we might run out. So I scraped off all the frosting and I decided before I use the tip to frost, I would just give each cupcake a small layer of frosting and then I will pipe over the top of it to finish off the cupcakes and make them look good. Next time I will probably buy 2 things of frosting.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Ooh, brownies are done.
Can we stay forever?
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
My friend Erica Hensley did this last year. She painted the wooden part on one of her signs, so this really inspired me to take these signs to the next level. I am just adding a little bit of brick red and a little bit of apple red and mixing them together to match the hearts that are on the white part of the sign. I am painting the Happy Valentine's Day and the XOXO sign red, and I am painting the Love You Like Crazy sign a pink. Oh, it looks so much better.
Loving this moment.
If you like the video, make sure to leave me a big thumbs up. It's totally free and it helps my channel out so much. I am so excited about this year coming up. I can't wait to share. I just hired somebody to help me editing because I have noticed that I can film way faster than I can put out videos. So this year I'm going to be putting out a ton of inspiring, motivating, and always fun content for you guys. Being a work from home YouTube mom full time, it has been, let's be honest, a little bit overwhelming sometimes. I just have been keeping in my goal in my mind for all those hard times, and that is what pushes me through, is to help create a better life for my kids and my family as a whole. So if you're not already subscribed, I would love to welcome you to our Epic Egbert family, where we are all about love, positivity, inspiration, and motivation. We like to have fun around here, and it is super important to me to always have kindness and positivity at the top of our priority list here. So if you like homemaking, positivity, and motivation, you're definitely gonna want to become part of our family here. I welcome you with all my heart, and I would love to know what your guys' favorite type of videos are so I can focus on the type of content you guys love the most. Anything in the homemaking realm, whether it's cooking, decorating, shop with me, clean with me, get ready with me, all that type of stuff. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching.